guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. My name is Ansar, and today we're going to be doing a little bit more maintenance on some of the cars. I've been having a really difficult time with the wipers that are currently on the Mercedes, and seeing that we had such good luck with the Rain-X wipers on the Audi Q3 and the F-150, I decided to pick some up for the Mercedes. I've been having the problem. I mean, these wipers aren't even that old that we bought. I think they're Bosch. But for some reason, if it's light rain, when it's heavy rain, they wipe fine. When it's light rain, it starts doing the hopping, like it's getting stuck on the windshield, and then you get this weird noise where it's like just skipping along the windshield. Then one way it'll wipe clean, and then the other way it's like skipping. So I said, let me throw these on, see if it makes a difference, if we have a better luck with it, and then we'll go from there. Now, the wipers that I decided to get from Rain-X that I found, these are the ones that fit the Mercedes. This is for the ML350. Alright, these are the Rain-X Latitude. Now, the sizes for the Mercedes are 28 and 21. I believe 28 is for the driver and 21 is for the passenger. We're going to make sure. Now, with the Audi and the German cars, it's a little more difficult to put on, and that's why I figured it'd be a good idea to show you guys how to do it. We had a little bit of a difficult time at first. I thought I bought the wrong wipers when we were trying it on the Audi Q3, so we will see, because like on the F-150 it used, let's see if I can show you on the back here, it used the J type, which is on that top right hand. That was for the F-150. Now on the Audi and the Mercedes, they have this pinch tab bottom button, which is kind of it's either the one on the lower right or on the middle left. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. I haven't even messed with it yet. We're gonna figure this out as we go and do it, and hopefully it'll be a simple install. Now let's go outside and try to get this done. I know it's kind of windy. Hopefully the sound will be all right. That's why I wanted to start the intro here. Besides working on the car, I hope everyone's safe, and if you can, working from home, I wish everyone the best, and you know, just be safe out there. Now let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm here with my brother. We're gonna show you guys how to do this on the, this is a 2010 ML350 Mercedes, and like we said before, the larger windshield wipers on the driver's side. Now, to show you guys how to do this, there is a little tab on each side that you have to push in, and then it actually rotates out. So if you wanted to know what type it was, I think this might have been the one on the left hand side middle, where you have to squeeze the two sides on the back and then it rotates. So here we go. We have the protective cover. It says remove before use. Now this is where we kind of got confused on the Audi Q3. We were messing with it and trying to figure out how it worked. So what you got to do is you have to remove this outside piece.
Am I breaking this thing out?
No, you shouldn't. Yeah, I think you just gotta pull each side out. There you go. And then you slide it out.
Is that it for that? I guess these two clips here, or does this piece come off too, these things here?
I'm not sure if you have to take those off.
I believe you do, because if you look at the old one, these tabs got to fit in.
Okay, so let's remove that and see if that works. I think there were some directions that flew away.
They're on top of there if you want to see them. I guess you don't remember from last time?
No, I don't remember what it was. That was a while ago. Oh, it says use a quarter. Look at that. Okay, so
it looks like you take that off.
yeah.
Rotate to the pinch. Take that off. Rotate the connector down. Right?
Okay.
So then it should be going like this.
Maybe we should leave the pinch open and then pinch it down afterwards.
It shouldn't be. It should just be as simple as that. Okay, let's try it this way.
Oh, or maybe it slides over it. Remember the last one slide on top?
Oh,
over it.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
What was that?
That's just this piece here.
Okay. And then when you clap that down, does it feel strong now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. All right.
Now, do I put this piece back on over the cover or no? Oh, can it go?
No, I don't think it can. No, it was the other way around, no?
No.
Yeah, it was the other way around, Al.
Oh, it was like this? That
Yeah.
can't go on then?
No, that
No.
piece doesn't go
So
on.
it
I
stays
think it's
off.
just like that.
Okay.
All right. So let's pretty much do the same thing we just did on the other side. And we'll try them out and see how well they work.
Do you want me to take it off and show you again?
Nah, you want to do it again? Let's just see.
So you can see how I put it on?
Yeah. So the 2 tabs on the back.
Fingers are getting weak. I guess that's not gonna happen. All right.
So maybe you have to lift that
roll it
first, and then you do it.
down. Can you squeeze the two?
Let's see if I squeeze these 2 in. Oh,
All right.
yeah. So there's the 2 little pieces in the back.
So you're going in like this. All right.
So, yeah, and then it
And then
clicks.
clips in, yeah.
Okay, that's pretty simple. See, I just gotta remember because I think that's what we thought it was supposed to fit the same way as the stock one did. But why is this not going down now? Did we get it all the way up? Oh, all right, great. Now let's move the Mercedes over a little, and then we'll do the passenger side, and then we'll go back inside the car and test them out.
I'm gonna keep these protectors. If it snows,
You're just supposed to slide it off.
Can you grab it from that side and slide it out?
You think that's gonna help it if it snows?
Yeah.
Alright, let's work on the passenger side. So same thing, squeeze the 2 tabs at the bottom and slowly slide it out. Be careful, don't pinch your finger. I just pinched mine. Now just to show you, these were in good shape. They were like not even a couple months old. They weren't torn up or anything. But for some reason, it was giving me a hell of a time. Although these are like the OEM fit ones where it slides in just like the stock. But they just weren't wiping that great. I mean, they would wipe clean, but then you would get this chatter on the windshield when it had like light rain. Heavy rain, it worked fine. Light rain or misting, and you were just trying to clear the windshield, it would start chattering really bad. And I don't think that's really good for the motor of the windshield wiper, you know, having that shaking all the time under light rain. So Al's removing the protective cover. I mean, these are still good. I don't know what we're gonna do with them.
Well, an emergency or something. I don't know.
If one of the windshield wipers fly off.
I guess. So this is actually, you're sliding it down between here. You want to take a better look? See how I'm sliding it? You see the clip over there? That's it.
All right.
Simple as that.
That was really easy, quick. Now everyone knows that on these cars, the Rain-X wipers, they slide on top of the actual arm. The stock one actually slides inside the channel, but these feel pretty good. They're pretty on there, so I don't think we have to worry about them. All right, let's get inside, do a couple of shots and see if it's any smoother than before. Oh yeah, that's way better. Guys, so we're in the Mercedes now, ML350 2010 if you don't remember, and we have the wipers installed. You can see them. Al spraying. This is way better. It's not giving us that chatter across the window when you do a light spray. I mean, we're really gonna know when the car's been sitting for a while and we get that granny rain. or very light misting, and you're just trying to clear the windshield, on the way back down it would chatter really bad. And depending on how it would do it both ways. And then if it started raining heavy, it would clear up and work fine. I mean, right now it looks like we are doing good. It looks good. It clears. It wipes the windshield really clean. It's way better so far than the old ones. Only time will tell. But we've had really good success with these wipers on the other cars, on the F-150 and the Q3. So I will definitely give you guys an update, probably on Instagram. If you guys follow me there, make sure you follow me, Project Z Garage. Also on Twitter, all the social media places. What do you think, Al?
So far so good, but they've been working great in the truck. We're going to try it out here in the Mercedes, and we'll go from there. We'll let you guys know. It's a very simple, easy fix. How much do these wipers cost, by the way?
I'm not sure. I actually got them off of Amazon. This isn't sponsored or anything. It's just that they seem to work well. We tried them out, and I figured, if it worked good on the other two cars, let's try it on this, and if it'll fix that problem where it was chattering on the window when it was like kind of sticking as it went up and wiped. It would wipe clean either one way or the other, but it would still chatter every so often, and that was just so annoying, and I really don't think it's good for the motor. Absolutely. Now, I think that's it. Really short video, just showing someone that might have a ML350 on the older, I forgot what the model, it's a 2010 ML350. I forgot what the chassis type is. It's like, was it what, 174 or something like that? I don't remember, but you know what? Actually, for any car. Yeah. To be honest with you. But I mean, the design will be different. Like on the F-150, it was the hook type blade. Arm, windshield wiper arm. Yeah. This one has like a weird slide-on one. The Audi was also similar to this one, where it had a little tab that you have to push in and then slide out. But it feels very sturdy. It doesn't look like it's gonna fly off or anything, so that's good. So I think that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friends, do all that good stuff. Also, with the way the world is right now, just be safe, and wash your hands. We'll catch you guys in the next video.